guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys. It is a new month. Happy May. In today's video, I just want to let you guys know what I have planned for the month of May because it is Mental Health Awareness Month. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I'm not even going to do my exact intro because I really just want to get into it. This is a really quick, short video. I hope you guys enjoy the vibe. It's kind of just natural light coming through the window right now. So let me know if you guys like it. But I really just wanted to let you guys know that May is Mental Health Awareness Month, if you guys didn't already know that. So I do want to spend my time on YouTube creating videos that is around mental health. So in this month, I'm going to be giving you guys a mental health update as far as myself. I'm gonna talk about how you can be there for somebody who may be struggling mentally, no matter what it is. I'm gonna talk about things that I've learned while struggling with anxiety and newly found things that I have discovered. It's just very, very important to dig deep and kind of learn. Everything kind of comes from something. So that's why I'm such an advocate for mental health. And I am not an expert, but I do have a BA in psychology and I have my own experience to go from, as well as a lot of loved ones that struggle with some of the same things that I do, and that a lot of you guys struggle with as well. Because what I'm trying to say is we're all in this together, and I hope you guys will enjoy my content this month. I know I haven't been super duper active on my YouTube channel, but I really want to make May the beginning of a fresh start on this channel in a lot of different ways. So I think I'm officially back to making content that you guys will appreciate and love. I apologize. Actually, I kind of don't really apologize. I really needed the break to focus on what was going on with me, and I'm still working through some things, but truthfully, I am in a better place, like, by far, because I just became more understanding, and I had to take a break from a couple of things. And you guys will know more once I get into my update, which is probably going to be my next video. I just wanted to do this quick intro video just to remind you guys that mental health is important, and you should always check in with and see how you're doing, because sometimes your attitude may not be simply from just getting mad at something. It's always a lot deeper than it really is, especially if you get mad at something that is so small. You know what I mean? I know a lot of you guys have probably had those days. Happy Mental Health Awareness Month. We're gonna get into it. Also, if you easily get triggered by these kinds of topics and this kind of conversation, then I'm gonna put a trigger warning in the beginning of each of my videos, just to warn you guys. You know, I don't want any of you guys to watch something that is gonna potentially trigger you into something that you can't get a grasp of right now. So anyway, happy May. I hope you guys have some fun and safe plans for the month of May. And hopefully I will be vlogging some things too. I don't have much planned, but maybe I'll do some things. I don't know. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!